everyone, my name is Tepa Gerard. I'm 31 years old. I'm originally from Tahiti. I've been working for Pacific Resort Group for 4 years now. I was in Aitutaki for 3 years as a barman, and I came over last year as a Maitre'D. So my principal role over here is to look after our guests, making sure the organization is smooth during the dining time, making sure our staff, they are happy every time when they come at work. Tea is because it's a passion for me. I like the fact that every day is always challenging because we do receive a lot of guests from all around the world. You always have to adapt everything with them. And they're paying so much money to come over, so this is our actually principal role, to make them come back again and again and again. So for myself, absolute guest satisfaction is the fact that when for the first time we receive some guests over here, if we can make that experience the most memorable for them, they will always coming back over here. I believe that if we make our staff happy, our guests will be happy. It's like I listen to them, I am with them all the time, not only here at work but outside work too. Give them the chance to growing more, to be better person. Honestly, when I was in Tahiti, I've been working a lot in yacht for private family or that kind of thing. This is actually my first resort. I'm fully in love with Pacific Resort Group because they're not over here just for the business, but they are here to looking after the staff. They give them the chance to growing them career. They're looking too after the island, the environment, all associations who need help. So I believe this is just make them special. Between all the company I've been working for, honestly, Pacific Resort Group is the best.